So today I'm going to show you how to redeem on your Capital One shopping rewards. Now we're here on the main page on our desktop, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to get to this. Now here on the main page, what we're actually going to want to do is tab over to the My Rewards and Savings. And then from here, this is going to take you to a new page, and you're going to see your available rewards. It'll tell you how much in dollar amounts. We have 20 right over here. And to the right of that, there is a redeem now. So let's go ahead and click here to show you the next step. Now from this section over here, you can see again how much you have available, and then it's going to show you the gift cards that you have an option to choose from. Keep in mind that there is a see more option over here, so you can keep on scrolling. There are quite a few really well-known brands as well as grocery stores. Now, whichever one you decide to choose, just go ahead and click on that gift card. Now here on the next page, it will have the amount available for that particular gift card. So some gift cards are going to have a different denomination available. You can see this one right over here is anywhere from $5 to $500. And so making sure that we have enough money to be able to go ahead and get this gift card. If that is going to be the case, we can see on the right-hand side over here for us to enter in our card value. For the $20, you could even do 15 or 10 or as low as that $5. And then just something else to keep in mind, you can see here, we do need to verify our account. So if you're not already verified, just make sure you click on verify your account, which will send you an email, and then we can move on to the next step. Now you can see from here, this all changed for us once we verified our email address. You might also have to just make sure that your home address and your account is also up to date. Once that's the case, we're gonna go ahead and plug in our dollar amount, which we're gonna do $20 here for us today. And you can see all that added in here for our $20. And then all we have to do is make sure that we check off this box right over here to the right-hand side, saying that they understand that the gift card purchasing are non-transferable. Once we did that, you can see the place order has been highlighted. We're gonna go ahead and click right over here. And you can see right here in real time, that is going ahead and going through the process for us. And now from this section over here, you can see it says gift card has been purchased. And the next thing we actually wanna do is go ahead and click on this button over here that says unlock card details and shop now. And keeping in mind, you are going to want your security code. Now, once you go ahead and click that blue button over there, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. And you're going to go ahead and plug in that security code to unlock your rewards. And just like that, our rewards has been redeemed. Now we could use this card number and PIN online or again in store if we would like. Now, I want you to keep on learning more ways to earn money on your purchases. So check out our video right over here to learn about the best cash back apps.